Come test drive the 2017 Passat. The Volkswagen Passat is roomy and powerful. It is a supple and controlled ride with a quiet and comfortable ride. Volkswagen brings it all together. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, compact spare tire, tires, front performance. Come take a test drive today.
Every certified pre-owned Volkswagen comes with a limited warranty, 24-hour roadside assistance, and peace of mind knowing that it passed a comprehensive inspection. That's 3 major reasons to go out and buy yourself a certified pre-owned Volkswagen. See your dealer for details.